Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are fit and fine. Students, in our previous video, we have solved some problems based on addition and subtraction. Now, in this video, we will solve some more problems based on the basic operations. So, let us to today's video with exercise 3, question number 4C part. Student, in question number 4C part, statement we are having a pack of bread has 37 slices. Then we have to find how many slices will be there in 46 packs. So first of all, let us generalize this question. Suppose in a pack of bread only 10 slices are there. Then we have to find how many slices will be there in 5 pack. If in 1 pack only 10 slices are there, then how many will be there in 5 packs? So for that, what you will do? Obviously you have to multiply it. So this is the question of multiplication. So let us start the solution of this question. Here we write solution of question 4C part. Here in this start from the first line, a pack of bread has 37 slices. So you write number, and we have to find how many slices will be there in 46 packs. So we write number of slices in 1 pack. So how many they are? They are 37. And we have to find how many slices will be there in 46 packs. Means we have to find how number of slices in 46 packs. So we write number of slices in 46 packs. If in 1 pack there are 37, then in 46 packs, obviously there will be more. And for more, what you will do? You will have to do multiplication. So you will write, it will be 37 multiply 46. And now you have to write the answer here. But for that you have to do the multiplication. And do this multiplication inside 37 multiplied by 46. Just find the product of this here. 6 7 ja 42, 4 carry, 6 3 ja 18, 18 plus 4, it will be 22 into 4 7 ja 28. So here you have to write 8, now 2 carry, then 4 3 ja 12, 12 plus 2, it will be 40. Now just add them, so you will get 2, 8 plus 2, 10, 1 carry, then 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, then 1 as it is. So how many slices will be there in 46 pack? There will be 1702. So you write the same, how many they are? 1702 slices. This will be your answer. This is the answer of C part. Now student, read the statement of question number 4D part. In this question you have given that a box contains 52 chocolates. Then we have to find how many boxes can be made in 4108 chocolates. Means now chocolates are more. So we have to find how many boxes can be made out of this. So let us start question number 4D part. Solution of this question number 4D part. So a box contains 52 chocolates. Means in 1 box how many chocolates are there? 52. Or we can say 52 chocolates are there in one box. then how many boxes can be made in that much chocolates? So we have to find the number of boxes. So the things that we have to find out will be written in the right hand side. So we will write solution of this. We write 52 chocolates made contained in how many boxes? In one box. 52 chocolates contained in one box. So therefore, how many we have to find out? We have to find out that much chocolates will be contained in how many boxes, and total chocolates are how many? They are 4108. So therefore, number of boxes can be made. Now you have to generalize this question. Suppose 10 chocolates are contained in one box. Suppose 10 chocolates are contained in one box, and you are having suppose 50 chocolates. Then in how many boxes that 50 chocolate will be accommodated? So for that, if 10 are came in one, then 50 will came in. What you will do? Obviously you have to divide it. So what you will do? You will have to divide that 50 by 10, and what you will get? You will get 5. It means 50 chocolate will be contained in 5 boxes. So same question is here. Here 52 chocolates contained in one box, and total number of chocolates are how many? They are 4108. So we have to find number of boxes can be made. So what we will do? We have to divide the total number of chocolate by the number of chocolate in one box. So what we will do? We will do like this: 4108 divided by 52. So you do the division inside. You write here 52, and inside it is 4108. Here 5 8 are 40. So you can write 5 8 are 40. If you try for 8, just see here, 8 2 are 16, 1 carry, 8 2 8 5 40 or 1 41, but it will be more. So what number you will take? You will take 7. Now 7 2 are 14, 1 carry, 7 5 are 35, 35 plus 1 36. Just subtract it. When you will subtract 4 from 0, it is not possible, you have to take borrow. So when you will take borrow, it will be 10. Then when you will subtract 4 from 10, it will be 6. Now how much left here? 0. Again you have to take borrow. When you will subtract then this 6 from 10, it will be 4. Then how much it is? Here 0. Now take the next number. It is how much? 8. Now 5 9 are 45. So you will take here 9. 9 2 are 18, 1 carry. 9 5 are 45. 45 plus 1 46. So how much quotient you got here? You got quotient as 79. So here we write 79 boxes. What are they? They are boxes. So here this will be your answer. Stand. In this question, it is very important to understand the statement. Then you have to decide which basic operation you have to use, whether it is addition or subtraction or multiplication or division. And the easiest method is, first you generalize the question what you have given in simplest form. If you will generalize, then things will become very easy for you. So this is for the day. Thank you.